In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart in ClickUp. A Gantt chart is a powerful project management tool that offers a visual timeline of your project, allowing you to see who's doing what and when, all at a glance. Think of it as a horizontal bar chart that beautifully illustrates your project schedule, right from the start and all the way to the finish line. It's especially useful for keeping track of tasks, deadlines, and progress, ensuring that your project runs smoothly and efficiently. To begin, make your way to the space, folder, or list within ClickUp where you want your Gantt chart to live. Think of this as choosing the area of your project that you want to map out most clearly. Once you're there, direct your attention to the view options at the top of the screen. You'll notice a plus sign on the right side of these view options. Clicking this plus sign will allow us to add more viewing possibilities that suit our needs best. Among the options that appear, you will want to select the Gantt option. This will add the Gantt view to your chosen space, folder, or list. It's that simple. Once you've added this view, you can start to really make it your own by diving into customization. Look for the gear icon at the top right of your screen, conveniently labeled Customize. Clicking on this will reveal numerous options for tailoring the Gantt chart to your liking. Within the Customize menu, one of the first things you'll notice is the Fields options. This is where you can add more fields to display pertinent information on your Gantt chart. You might want to show team members assigned to tasks, deadlines, or completion percentages, whatever information is crucial for your project's success. Customization doesn't stop there. You also have the ability to apply filters to your Gantt chart. Filters are particularly handy if you want to display only those tasks that meet certain conditions, which can be a lifesaver when dealing with larger projects full of intricate details. Experimenting with these settings enables you to harness the full power of the Gantt chart. This feature is robust and allows for a high degree of customization. So don't hesitate to play around with different settings until it perfectly complements your project's needs. Take your time exploring all the customization options because it's through this experimentation that you unlock the true potential of ClickUp's Gantt views. And just like that, you have created a customized Gantt chart in ClickUp. It's a straightforward yet powerful way to visualize your project timeline and keep everything on track. As you grow more familiar with this tool, you'll find it to be an invaluable asset in managing and executing your projects more effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy charting!